sneak out the front door. Something's going on in the yard. Wow, that's a big bird. I don't know. So there was a deer out here, but look at that. You see that? I think that was a golden eagle. I don't know. Oh, look. Oh my God, it's a baby deer and a mama deer. And mama's protecting the baby. That's exactly what that was. Good job, Mom. And those were eagles trying to hunt the baby deer. Oh my God, did you see that? And I know where they live. That's the mama deer from the backyard. She's been in my yard forever. And I ain't seen nobody else except for these fucking mosquitoes. But those birds are trying to get at that baby deer. And mama was protecting. The baby deer was next to the trees. I don't know if you could see any of what just happened. That was crazy. And I swear those were gold eagles. But that sounds like a raven. But I thought I saw a big, huge yellow beak. I gotta go see. Because they're gonna try to come back for that baby deer. I don't know, did you guys see in the video how tiny that deer was? Oh, these mosquitoes are brutal. What the fuck am I doing out here? I heard all that squawking, it was crazy. And then I tried to creep out because I saw the deer, but I didn't realize there was a little itty bitty baby. Oh my God, look at, there's the birds. They got something on the ground, dead. I'm covered in mosquitoes. I don't know what those were. They might be, what do you call it? Vultures, maybe, huh? They were big. I don't know, but I'm not running all the way out to see them covered in fucking mosquitoes. They're all over me. That was wild. There they are, whatever those birds were. Oh, I can't hang. These fucking mosquitoes are insane. Gotta cover your mouth. Be eating these fucking bugs. That was incredible. I hope that turns out on the video. How tiny that little baby was and how mama was protected. Good job, Mom. We're gonna go over here later and see if we can, I know where they're at, but I'm gonna look from a distance. I ain't gonna get all up on them. The main reason I even came outside was to show you guys the fog. Check that. All right, well, the fucking bugs. Because everything's wet. It's on and cracking with them fucking mosquitoes. All right, gotta go. Peace.